that sad look on your face. I should have changed that simple lie. Should have made you leave a key. Fast on for just 1 second. Give me back to bother me. Go on that door. Walk out that door. Turn around now. You're not welcome anymore. Word to the one tribe. Heard me goodbye. I think I crumbled. I think I laid and died. No, I will survive. For as long as I'm happy, I know I stay alive. I've got all my life to live, all that I to give. I'll survive. I will survive. Now the strength I have, not to fall apart. I kept trying to mend the pieces of my broken heart. And I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. I was strong. I learned how to get along. Then you see me, somebody new. I'm not that chick of little person. I'm still in love with you. So you felt like dropping in. Expect me to be free. Well, now I'm saving all my loving. Someone was loving me. You're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbyes? You think I crumble? You think I lay down and die? No, no, not I will survive. Have a good day, folks. I know I stay alive.
O metrô chegou, vamos ter que ir embora.